Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. All right, traders, it is Rocktober 1st. We call it Rocktober because usually the month of October, these markets rock and roll. If you go and do your homework on the S&P, you will see September, Rocktober is always volatile, as we've seen already. Now, for Wednesday, 10/1/08, we are, I know it's a little scary, but we are looking to buy the S&P. We're looking for some sort of a dip to buy and then a rally out of the hole. You know, traders, I will say this, no matter what happens here, don't fall in love with the upside. But you've seen these videos before. A little peck on the cheek tomorrow might not hurt the upside, you know what I mean? We're not falling in love, but maybe a little peck on the cheek. So we do have a trade designed to capture some upward movement if we get it in the S&P. We are also looking at the downside in gold, the downside in euro currencies, the upside in dollar index. We got a lot of trades we're looking at. We'll certainly give you some ideas in the S&P in a few moments. I wanted to bring something to your attention that we have been staying with video after video, and that has been the currencies, traders. If you recall, the date of 8/5, we started this video series talking about the fundamental shift coming our way in the marketplaces and that currencies would crack. They did crack, and then on 9/6, we shot another video with that same theme and said the bottom for a little while is in the currencies. We'll get a reprieve rally and then another break, and we'll signify you when the break comes. Then on 9/25 or 9/26, the night of 9/25 for the viewing of 9/26, we said, whoa, that reprieve rally is over in the currencies and down they will go again, keeping you in tune with the larger picture so that we can jump in and out in between. We've taken a couple of euro currency trades. We've taken a couple of Canadian dollar trades out of this movement so far, and so far, so good. What I would like to do is show you some of those charts, show you where those currencies are right now so you can stay in tune with this larger picture. Traders, the analysis has really been working well in these currencies, especially when you're looking at the larger picture. And you know I call that looking at the forest from the trees. So I'm going to show you the forest right now, and we'll see what we can do. We have a trade recommendation for tomorrow to try to capture the trees. But for now, let's go look at the forest and the currencies and see what you think. Okay, traders, we are looking at the euro currency December daily bar chart. Traders, technical analysis really does work well because there's absolutely no way we could have made directional calls like this on the days that they were turning without great technical analysis. It's not even that we're great technicians. The analysis itself works so well that if you just use it properly, you should have a roadmap to where markets are going to go next. With that in mind, just to review, on 8/5 we had a sell signal because we got below the Omni's proprietary moving average. We issued a sell signal for currencies, a buy signal for dollar index. We talked about a big fundamental shift and a big crack coming. We got that crack. Then on 9/6, we issued a buy recommendation looking for a reprieve rally. And we did get the reprieve rally, and this is pure technical analysis giving us these signals. Then on 9/25, we issued another sell signal stating that the reprieve rally was over. This was just last Sunday, a few days back. We did our video and said now you can sell currencies. Look at the size movement that we've had since that day. Look at that. Traders, that is technical analysis working at its best, firing on all 8 cylinders. All I'm doing is listening to the charts and watching the analysis, and you can learn to do this yourselves at our Omni Trading Academy. So here it is, the sell signal works, the buy signal works, then we get the reprieve rally and it tells us get short again, and now we're looking like we'll probably get lower than these lows right here as the market picks up steam over the next few weeks. Now that was the euro currency. Let's look at a couple of more currencies here. Okay, traders, we are now looking at the British pound December daily bar. More of the same analysis that we had done in those videos. Again, if you'd like to refresh yourselves on those videos and do some of your own homework, Go look at the YouTube video dated 8/5/08 and you will see I gave absolute reason why this market is now ready to crack. Then we get below the Omni proprietary moving average and we do get that major break. Then we get a buy signal on video dated 9/6/08. Please go take a look at that video if you don't mind. And you will see that we gave you reason to think that there should be a rally coming. And then, of course, on 9/25 for 9/26's viewing, we shot a video just Sunday evening and told you sell signal comes back now. The top is likely in on the reprieve rally. And look at the break we've had since then, traders. All of this started because the currency markets broke the Omni's proprietary moving average in many, many currencies. I think that series of videos, I probably showed anywhere from 27 to 37 charts, all pointing in this very same direction. And lo and behold, the analysis proves right and worked very, very well. Traders, this is not for you to say, oh, Oscar, you called it right, because to be honest, I don't really care about that. I care about getting it right so I can point you on the axe in the right direction. But this is basically so that your confidence in technical analysis will increase. And when you see these setups yourselves, you will have the confidence it takes to pull the trigger. Now let's go look at the dollar index because it's opposite of these signals and again gives you more confidence in your trading. If you can see one currency doing one thing, the inverted currency doing the opposite at the same time, it's a very good signal going forward. So let's go look at that dollar index now and see what signals we had there. Okay, traders, sticking with that theme of the Omni's proprietary moving average giving us this entire scenario, it is right here, Omni proprietary moving average, right? We get a buy signal on 8/5 marked by this little arrow and the market takes off. We get a sell signal right here on 9/6/08 and the market cracks down. Then we get the reprieve drop we were looking for. We get another buy signal Sunday evening, 3 days ago, and the market explodes again. Traders, this is pure technical analysis. This Omni proprietary moving average was the catalyst to this whole move. But then, of course, this is merely just the fundamentals coming out in the charts first, as they always do. When many, many currencies lined up against that Omni proprietary average and then broke out below and the dollar broke out above, I mentioned the fundamental shift was coming our way, and look at the fundamental news that has happened since. There's been an entire shift in world currencies, in world markets. There's been an entire shift all over the place. So don't forget, traders, stay in tune with us. Go to my YouTube spot. Go view the video of 8/5/08, then follow it up with the video dated 9/6/08, and then follow that up with the video dated 9/26/08, and you will see these calls made and how we made them. Remember, the Omni Trading Academy is about teaching you how to do this for yourselves. If you'd like to learn how to catch these signals right, come on down to the Omni Trading Academy. It's www.livewithoscar.com. Jump into the chat rooms, make sure you come to classes, and we will help you take a look at charts in the same fashion we do. So, you've seen those charts, traders? Let me tell you something. You got to stay in tune with the larger picture in order to see the smaller picture. That is what we do here at the Omni Trading Academy. We are the short-term traders with the long-term plan and the long-term view. We always have a long-term view of where we think we're going so that we can properly jump in and out on the way there. All right, traders, I can't do a really long video tonight. My voice is still out. I'm not feeling that well, but I have to address my crowd, right? Us Omniacs, we got to work together here. As I always say, don't trade alone. There's strength and unity in numbers. So how do I not jump in front of this camera and help you, right? I got to be here. If I got to be here, you got to be here. So make sure you come on down. All right, traders, we have the S&P Emini again for 10/01/08, October 1st. Omni's S&P Emini says, first of all, it's green. I know, it scares me too, but I'm taking the trade. Omni says to buy in the mid to low 1150s. We are trading 1158 as of this video, traders, so do your homework and see if you like this idea. Buy it in the mid to low 1150s. Resistance is expected on the way up at around 1180, 1182, somewhere up there. We expect a possible run to the 1190s or be out MOC. Again, traders, I'm not turning into a bull by any means, but the analysis is starting to line up for a little bit of a pop. It is midweek. It's Wednesday. A pop is likely, and then we'll see what happens towards the end of the week. So again, don't fall in love with the upside. Just a little peck on the cheek. Don't forget. All right, traders, let's see what's going to happen with that. Again, we're looking to sell gold on the rallies. We're looking to sell euro currencies on the rallies, and we're looking to buy the dips in the S&P. All right, traders, if you get a chance, come on down to the site. Make sure you come to the chat room. Jump in the chat rooms with us, and we will certainly work together. If you'd like, give me a call anytime, day or night, 702-629-4755. And as always, please keep those emails coming in. Shoot the emails out to Oscar@futuresanalysts.com. All right, traders, if you like these videos, please subscribe to them. Please leave your comments and gear your comments towards helping the other traders of the world who may not know what we do here and need a leg up to get the analysis right. All right, traders, I'm about done. I'm losing my voice already, so let me get out of here. Do me a favor, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, and every evening, because it'll help you get your emotions out of trading. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.